I was gonna do a live, but I can't figure out, for live, your phone has to be standing up straight, and the only stand that I have for my dining room is the one that's sideways. So I have to figure out how to film in here on live. But I'm just gonna post this when I'm done. I'm trying to do my makeup really quick. Matt's almost home from work. I have to do his full face. We are, if you didn't see our costume, Little Red Riding Hood. Grandma, but I have like a claw mark like going down my face because Matt's the wolf and he was Little Red Riding Hood. And I just wanted to show you real quick some little tips and tricks I did. I know it's kind of last minute, it's Halloween, I should have showed y'all before this, but this is just for your entertainment. I guess any last minute costumes, you could do this if you had this paint. I'm just gonna be using acrylic paint, have a little cotton pad right here that I'm going to be using to pull apart for texture, and then just regular paint brushes. One second, let me grab my makeup bag. Whew. All right. Sorry, I had to throw this hair. I just have to finish off my eyes real quick. I'm going to do this eye because I'm going to be looking in the mirror right here, so I figured it'll be closest to you, and that's the one I did the other day, so it's easier. Let me see, I just need to finish off my eyes. Eyeliner. Let's get the good stuff. For this look, I'm going to be using just the thinnest brush that I have. And then like I said, I use just these acrylic paints. I have the bright red, jet black, and then the regular white. And I got these for like 50 cents from Walmart. I've said this before, I don't think you're necessarily supposed to use these on your face, but it's just easiest for me, and face paint never really works how I want it to. So let's see. First, I'm going to get a little bit of black. I am just going to try to make it look like claws. So where would they hit me if he was... And I'm using the black because the black isn't necessarily just for an outline. It's also to give depth to the cut. When I add the red over it, you'll see what I'm talking about, but let me see how we're gonna do this. Tricky part. Make sure you have your water close by. And now for, actually this right here looks crooked. Fix that. Okay. So now I'm going to teach you how to use the cotton. This is really difficult. Sometimes I can use it, sometimes I can't. What I do is I get a little bit of paint on there, and I just want to wet it, and then I'm gonna just dab where I've already put the paint. I just want to make those spots wet so that the cotton will stick to it, and I'm gonna take like the smallest possible piece. Like you literally want like little tiny feathers, and you want to just lay it on top of there and pat it down. And then you only have to touch it for like barely touch it. If you touch it too hard, it'll come off on your finger. And this is going to add texture when you put the red on top of it, just to make it look like a real cut. And I'm just gonna put that right there. of the black. And then on the end, I'm just pulling it. But you want to make sure that it is nice and wet or just really damp so that you can just dab it on there. You don't want to drag it at all, because if you drag it, you're gonna pull off all the cotton that you just put on there. And then if by adding different variations of color, like see this is a really bright red and I'm just gonna dab it in there, that's really gonna give it some depth and dimension as well. Really make it look like, I mean, you know, this isn't like FX makeup, but it's as good as you're getting last minute. And just repeat this all the way out. All the way, all the way, all the way. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's as good as we're getting tonight. I need to fix my eyebrow, like pull my eyebrow off.